Okay. And for the student workshop, we can discuss the economic affairs. For example, anytime someone or a group of people gets Nobel Prize in economics, we can understand why or for which research did they get Nobel Prize. We can understand the economics, the reason behind that Nobel Prize. That will be a great learning for us. Okay. Many economists from India have got Nobel Prize. We can understand their work also. For that also we can organize workshops. Okay. This is for the students. Next, to understand international economics, what we can do is take countries one by one, understand their policies, which is a very good system, which is not a very good system, what we can learn from their economy that can be implemented in our country. Okay. This will be a good analysis for us in terms of policy, and we can know more about how different countries are functioning based on their own political, cultural conditions. Then finally, financing. We can approach many companies, many CSR activities. Okay. We can approach our alumni who benefited from such programs. They'll be more than happy to contribute for our club. Only thing is we have to try hard. So this is the thing. We can keep on trying, especially our alumni, then from the companies. And once we get sufficient fund, all the activities of our club will be self-sufficient. We can conduct more and more activities. Thank you.